exposing the potential suspension of habeas corpus, a fundamental legal safeguard that has been a cornerstone of American democracy for centuries. This principle ensures that no one can be detained without just cause and provides a critical check against arbitrary state power. What does it mean for you? The suspension of habeas corpus could have far-reaching implications for civil liberties, affecting not just those directly detained, but also setting a precedent that could erode the rights of all citizens. And is it even legal? The legality of such a move is highly contentious, with constitutional scholars and legal experts divided on the issue. The U.S. Constitution allows for the suspension of habeas corpus when in cases of rebellion or invasion the public safety may require it, but the interpretation of this clause is hotly debated. The Trump administration, led by White House Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller, is reportedly exploring suspending habeas corpus. Miller, known for his hardline stance on immigration, has been a key architect of many of the administration's most controversial policies. This right allows individuals to challenge their detention in court. Without it, the government could detain individuals indefinitely without having to justify their actions in a court of law. Historically, it's been suspended during extreme situations like rebellion or invasion. But why now? The current context is neither a rebellion nor an invasion, raising questions about the true motivations behind this consideration. This consideration comes amidst widespread legal challenges related to immigration and foreign students. The administration has faced numerous setbacks in court, with judges frequently blocking its more draconian measures. Miller claims that Congress has stripped courts of jurisdiction over immigration cases, arguing that this justifies the suspension of habeas corpus. However, this interpretation is not universally accepted and has been met with significant opposition. Legal experts dispute this, pointing out that the judiciary still plays a crucial role in overseeing immigration cases and protecting individual rights. The balance of power between the branches of government is at stake. Trump, who campaigned heavily on deporting millions, has faced roadblocks, including a judge blocking the use of a wartime law to deport Venezuelans. This has been a significant setback for an administration that has made immigration enforcement a central pillar of its agenda. Despite this, deportations continue, albeit slower than detentions. The administration's aggressive stance on immigration has led to a surge in detentions, but the legal system has slowed the pace of actual deportations. CNN reports Trump's direct involvement in these discussions. The president's personal interest in the matter underscores the high stakes and the potential for significant policy shifts. Although he hasn't explicitly mentioned suspending habeas corpus, he has cited actions by past presidents to justify his stance. This historical precedent is being used to bolster the administration's case, but the context and circumstances are vastly different. Habeas corpus has been suspended only 4 times in U.S. history. Each instance was during a period of extreme national crisis, such as the Civil War and World War II. The current situation, while challenging, does not seem to meet the same criteria. The big question remains, will Trump attempt to do it again, and can he do it without Congress? The legal and political ramifications of such a move would be profound, potentially sparking a constitutional crisis. Stay tuned as this story develops. The unfolding events could reshape the landscape of American civil liberties and set a precedent for future administrations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Your engagement helps us bring you the latest and most important news.